welcome to the Original Kali Drills course via the Cognitive Kali Training Program. My name is Paul McCarthy. I am the founder and head instructor of the Cognitive Kali program. I'm very excited to release this new course, which is geared towards people who have been practicing Kali before, but it's also an exciting way to get into Kali as a new hobby or a new pastime or a new program for you to learn. There are lots of exciting drills in this course, including the 6-count matrix, focusing on some redondo 6 counts as part of deliberate practice. We look at the Cabaret series by Grandmaster Esther Lydia, who developed a very logical progression of strikes to build up to. We also look at response drills, Abecedario by the letters, Sombrada, which is hip to hip. And then we finish by looking at sparring in 2 different perspectives. We look at it through a perspective of play, which is an important context with regards to the development of cognitive function. And we also look at it from an analysis point of view, the ability to analyze movement and see what is happening in a very dynamic situation. So I hope you enjoy the course. Once you finish, please do leave a review so that we can gear our future courses to you, our customer, and I look forward to seeing you in a weekly class or perhaps in a new course once we release them. Have a great course.